Hello everyone. Up till now, we are studying in the fundamentals of estimating and costing, meaning, purposes, administrative approval, technical sanction, budget provision, approximate estimate, detail estimate for new work, then types of detail estimate, roles and responsibility of estimator. Now we will see what are the modes of measurement and desired accuracy as per IS 1200. Indian Standard 1200 has given how to measure the different item of work. As seen here, the three dimensions are there for the excavation, that is earthwork, that is length, breadth and depth. So it is measured in cubic meter. PCC for foundation, it has having also the concrete, which is having also length, breadth and depth, so it is measured in cubic meter. RCC, reinforced cement concrete, measured in cubic meter. Brickwork in cubic meter. Stone masonry in cubic meter. Concrete, door and window shutter in square meter. Door and window frame in cubic meter. DPC, damp proof course is measured in square meter, as it is very thin. Keep in mind, the thick item, thick item are measured in cubic meter. The thin item, thin item are measured in square meter. So DPC is very thin, so it is measured in square meter. Plastering and pointing, it is also measured in square meter. Flooring is also thin, it is measured in square meter. Skirting which we are providing to wall, it is measured in running meter. If it is half tile skirting, then it is measured in running meter. If it is full tile skirting, more than 15 centimeter or 30 centimeter, then it is measured in square meter. Centering and shuttering used for concrete work, measured in square meter. Dado for bathroom, kitchen and kitchen ota, measured in square meter. Painting is measured in square meter. Barbed wire fencing which is used in the farm, it is measured in running meter. Tile roofing GI sheet, measured in running meter. Steel railing or your railing for the staircase is measured in running meter. Pipe which are you are using for the electric fitting or the plumbing, it is measured in running meter. Wash basin or water closet, that are measured in number. So these are the different mode of measurement of different item of work as per IS 1200. There is a desired accuracy in taking the measurement. These are some items. Site clearance is, you can find here, the lump sum item is there. Electric wiring, as per the point it is measured. Steel reinforcement, measured in kg or ton. Your plinth filling can be measured in cubic meter. 10 centimeter thick brick wall, that is nothing but your partition wall, it is measured in square meter. Nut bolts measured in kg. Laying of sewer line measured in running meter. False ceiling, that is POP work, measured in square meter. Cutting of trees, that is site clearance में आता है वो, so that is in number. Wall are in numbered. So this is the some list of some 30 items I have given you. There is a desired, this is very important, measurement of work as per IS 1200. How should be the length measured? How should be the area measured? How should be the volume measured? So these are the basic criteria for measuring the length, area and volume. The length shall be measured to the nearest of 0.01 meter. If you are measuring, the unit of measurement is running meter, as we have seen, skirting is measured in running meter or the pipeline is measured in running meter. It should be measured nearest to the least dimension is 0.01 meter. If you are measuring the area, that is length or breadth or length or depth, then in that case, suppose you are measuring the area of plastering, then it should be measured to the nearest of 0.01 meter square. Area shall be measured nearest to 0.01 meter square as per IS 1200. Volume shall be measured nearest to the 0.01 meter cube. 0.01 meter cube. You just keep in mind the length, area and volume should be measured to the 0.01 and you keep that unit in front of them, that is meter, square meter or cubic meter. That is the desired accuracy in mode of measurement. From this item you can also prepare your checklist for load bearing structure or for frame structure. Checklist of item जैसा likewise earthwork or excavation for foundation, PCC for foundation, RCC for footing or column, BBM for burn brick masonry for wall, stone masonry, concrete, door and window shutter. This 30 item will give you how to prepare the checklist of item for load bearing structure or frame structure. The process of execution of work you keep in mind and try to prepare the checklist for from this 30 item. You try to prepare, you keep the drawing in front of you for any load bearing structure or any frame structure, and from that you try to prepare the checklist of item, what are the different item of work in the load bearing structure and in the frame structure from taking the reference of this 30 item. This is the home assignment for you. This is the desired desired accuracy of measurement as per IS 1200. Now there are some rules for deduction of plaster, brickwork, pointing and painting. 4 items, because we cannot consider that whole items for the construction work. We have to deduct because openings are there. For that the work is not there, the brickwork is not there, plaster is not there for the opening area, and how that opening area is deducted, that for that the IS 1200 given some guidelines. I am explaining you for the brickwork what are the rules for deduction. The first line is very important. No deduction is made for following. Whatever the following items are there is no deduction for brickwork is there. Opening each up to 0.1 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया. अगर हम मान लेते हैं कि ओपनिंग का एरिया लेस देन 0.1 स्क्वायर मीटर है तो उसके लिए डिडक्शन ब्रिक वर्क में कोई भी डिडक्शन नाही होगा. ब्रिक वर्कमध्ये त्याला त्या एरियाला डिडक्ट करायचं काम नाही. एंड ऑफ बीम, पोस्ट, राफ्टर एक्सेट्रा अप टू 0.05 स्क्वायर मीटर इन सेक्शन. कि बीम, एंड ऑफ राफ्टर का जो कुछ भी ब्रिक वर्क में पार्ट इंसर्ट हो रहा है उसके लिए अगर उसका एरिया 0.05 स्क्वायर मीटर होगा, देयर शुड बी नो डिडक्शन मेड. बेड पेट, वॉल प्लेट, बेयरिंग ऑफ बालकनी, छज्जा अप टू 10 सेंटीमीटर डेप्थ, बेयरिंग ऑफ फ्लोर एंड रूफ स्लैब आर नॉट डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम मैसनरी. जो भी पोर्शन हम बीम का या कॉलम का, बीम का जो प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है ब्रिक मैसनरी के अंदर और उसकी डेप्थ 10 सेंटीमीटर और उससे कम है तो हमें वो एरिया को डिडक्ट करना नहीं है. तो डिडक्ट क्या होगा, विच एरिया शुड बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द मैसनरी. फुल डिडक्शन इज मेड फॉर रेक्टेंगुलर ओपनिंग इन मैसनरी. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग डोर इन द मैसनरी, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग विंडोज इन द मैसनरी, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ventilator in the masonry. That area is deducted. That is how that area is deducted. Length into height into thickness of wall. What is the thickness is there generally 9 inch or we can say 230 mm thickness of wall is there. So length of that door, height of that door or window and the thickness of wall is deducted. The total of this volume is deducted from the whole volume of the masonry. But there is no deduction for this item, that is opening up to 0.1 square meter, end beam post up to 0.05 square meter, wall plate or bed plate or your beam extending into the brick masonry up to 10 centimeter depth. There is no deduction made. These are the rules for deduction of plastering. These are the desired accuracy for measurement of area, length and volume, and this is the checklist for different mode of measurement. About 30 item I have given. In the next slide, in the next session we will see about the mode of rules for deduction for plaster, pointing and your painting. Thank you for now.